Quentin, just take a deep breath. You live in Paris. Nobody cares about what you're doing. Nobody cares. Nobody. Just be it. Be about it. Be about that action. And go do it. You know what? I was thinking about something. I had dinner with a couple of friends, and because it was nice, just seeing each other, drinking, eating as well. And then we were just talking about the day, what happened, and then saying what I did. And then the moment wasn't painful because they would turn it like kind of like a joke, but I was just saying what I did during the day. And for a moment I was talking about like, yeah, I went outside and just like do 2 hours walking, because I was walking around in Paris, like nearby where I'm living, and I was saying like from the last 20 minutes I started to run, and like because the rest of the time I was just walking, because for me, before going out I was like, I better walk, at least doing my 10,000 steps for the day. And like, because walking would be definitely better than not even walking outside, because otherwise I can just stay at home and just play video games. That's it. And so yeah, because in my mind I was like, yeah, at least go outside, walk, see whatever you'll go, and that at least I walked. And for the last 20 minutes I started to run, because I know it was the last 20 minutes, and I was like, yeah, just run. I was heading to the gym, because for me it was like, have a walk in Paris and then just go to the gym, have a nice shower, and because I got a sauna, like where the gym I'm going to, we have a sauna. I was like, I'd rather walk outside, and that was the thing as well. I'd rather walk outside or even try to run and go ahead to the gym, just to have a nice shower and a sauna, and then go back home, because I live just next to, and it's not that far. And then what was kind of funny, so they started to turn it like a joke, saying like, I did some sport and I run for 20 minutes, and I'm just doing like some speed walking, and so just to say like I did nothing. And at the moment, I don't know, I was like a fool. I think like they was fooling me, something like this. And at the moment I'm like, I don't know why I didn't say nothing. I was just agreeing about what they were saying, and I was thinking about this. I was like, I was telling me, at least I did walk. I did something. I had to find the courage to go outside, to keep walking, and try to run as well, because I'm not used to run outside. You know, I'm still in the moment. I'm still in in a part of my life, like where I want to do something, like even talking in front of a camera, I'm not comfortable with it. But I am in a part of my life, I want to do something. I want to go over this and trying proving myself, like I don't care about what people is telling about me. I'm trying to prove it to myself, because in my mind I'm like, I don't care. Say whatever you want to, do whatever you want to, as long as you're not trying to bother me, I'll say. And but it's still really hard. It is still really hard for me, because I'm not used to do kind of this stuff. Like even walking outside, like running outside, I'm not used to do something like this. And every time I'm really trying to tell me, every time, Quentin, you live in Paris. Nobody cares about what you're doing. Nobody cares. Nobody. So just go outside, do whatever you want. You have to. Walking, running, even take my guitar. I'm trying to get back with my guitar. So nobody cares. Go outside and yet prove yourself that you can do it. And that is something I'm working on. That is something I'm really trying to figure it out. To prove myself, I'm meant to be someone better than who I am today. So every time I'm telling me, just be it. Be about it. Be about that action. And go do it. And you know what? So I'm talking to the camera now, but I'm freaking out just to put out this video. I'm really freaking out. But I know I'm going to do it. I will do it. I'll keep doing it, because that is what I want to. Yeah. So yeah, that was just something I wanted to share. Just something I wanted to share with y'all. And I hope, like, by watching this video, by listening what I was saying, you tell you that you're not the only one. You're not the only one. Just take a deep breath and just go do it. I'll have to say it again. Be the action and go do it. Thank you so much. Put a thumbs up, and even if you subscribe, that could be really nice, and I know it would encourage me to go forward. Thank you.